Okay, now once the bubbles are gone, we can start to load the sample. I do not have a real sample. I pretend I have a sample here, and load, and load. Of course, before you touch the sample, you need to cool your tip. Okay, I did that already. The load. Then you use this cover to hold it. So okay, now it's in the position. So now we load more sample, more sample, more sample, and more sample, and then we get another one to hold it. Okay, and then more sample, more sample, more sample. You might need to do this under microscope, okay, which I don't have. Okay, then you have this. Okay, now all the sample is covered. Now we need to remove the sample. Okay. So we need to do this slowly. You dip into liquid nitrogen a little bit, and then you move. You can take a picture of the sample. Okay. Okay, and then we put into the stage. Okay. So the sample now is under microscope, so you can do the experiment now. Okay, good.